how to change plan in Netflix. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can change plan in Netflix, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to change plan in Netflix, all you have to do is, first of all, one thing you have to understand, you can't change the plan using the Netflix application, whether you're using Android or iOS. What you have to do is you have to open your browser and go to netflix.com and log into the account of which you would like to change the plan. After you do that, tap the three lines option from the top left of the screen here, and then here you'll find one option that says account. So make sure to just tap the account option here. And once you tap an account over here, you should be able to see a couple of details here. So all you have to do is, if you want to change the plan, currently you can see an Ultra HD plan, you can tap the change plan option, and now you can choose any plans, whether you want to upgrade or downgrade. But just keep in mind that the changes will take instantly and you'll start getting charged with the new price depending upon the plan. So you can just tap the continue button if you'd like to change the plan. This way you can change plan in Netflix. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.